Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete comments in Word. And we will look at how this works for individual comments, but also how I can delete all comments in Word at once. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Word and already have a document here with some comments in it. To delete a single comment I click on the three dots and delete thread. This way the comment is deleted immediately. However, if I have a lot of comments in the document that I want to delete, this procedure is rather impractical. Therefore, there is a method where we delete all comments at once. To do this, we click on File, go to Info, check for Issues, and inspect Document. Before I inspect the document, Word advises me to save the file again. In the following, various properties are suggested for which I can inspect the document. For us, the first point is important. So we make sure that a check mark is set and click on Inspect. Word now tells us that comments have been found. We can delete them all at once using the Remove All button. If we click on it and close the window, we will see that there are no more comments in the document. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!